Here I have LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter factory mode on this device. So firstly you should turn your device off by holding down power key, and after device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time like this. Well, I guess after the screen turned on you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. No need for power key anymore. So this is basically this so-called factory mode. Everything in some Chinese ancient scripted texts here. So let's, but like I'm not a Chinese man myself, but using the modern day technology, we can peek into this ancient Chinese wisdom. Okay, so let's get it. What does it say? Factory pattern: automatic testing, manual testing, single test, testing report, debug test items, and restart cell phone. So usually this, instead of these debug test items, there should be like some kind of reset button which resets your device, and the last button, restart, is usually the one that reboots your device. So if you want to quit this Chinese factory mode, just select the last option, something in Chinese, using volume down to navigate and power key to select, because I guess volume up just doesn't work in this mode at all. So that's how you can select it, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.